everyone, it's me, Emily Cole here. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Also, press that post notification bell to be a part of the M Squad, and you'll get notified every single video that I post in the future. Also, after you watch the video at the end, comment down below hashtag post notifications so I can know that you guys have done it. And you guys can get a shout out at the end of my videos. I hope you enjoy this. Without further ado, let's get on to the video. Okay guys, so this is my slime. It's actually pink. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm sorry if you guys can't. Okay guys, so this is what it actually looks like. It's super nice and pretty. And by the way, guys, I used 3 bottles of white Elmer's glue. I used some baby oil to make it shiny. And I used some of that, like, clear Tide. Okay guys, so I'm super sorry about this. But I have one hand that's holding the camera and one hand that can only, do this. And so I'm gonna have to show you like when I'm doing the bubble off camera, but I'm gonna show you the bubble. So yeah, let's move to that clip. Look at that, guys. Woohoo! Okay guys, so if you're wondering what that noise was, it was my slime. I was like trying to, let you guys hear it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. I love you guys so much, and I'm super sorry that I have not posted any videos lately. I'm really sorry about that, guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to press the notification bell to be a part of the M Squad. Bye. Mwah. Slime it up, slime it up.